Welcome to the city that never sleeps. Your English adventure begins. New York City, the Big Apple, a place of dreams. It's also a fantastic place to learn English. Imagine yourself in a bustling cafe, ordering your coffee like a local. Picture yourself chatting with friendly New Yorkers, their accents music to your ears. This is the magic of learning English in NYC. Why choose New York? Because here, English isn't just a subject, it's the air you breathe. It's on street signs, in subway announcements, in the laughter of children in Central Park. You're not just learning a language, you're living it. Every sight, sound, and taste becomes a lesson. This vibrant city welcomes you with open arms. It invites you to explore its diverse neighborhoods, savor its culinary delights, and lose yourself in its cultural tapestry. Embrace the energy, the diversity, the sheer excitement of New York. So, are you ready for an adventure? Are you ready to unlock a world of opportunities? Your English journey starts now, right here in the heart of New York City. Choosing your classroom top schools and courses in NYC. New York City is a melting pot of cultures and languages. Naturally, it offers a wide array of English language schools. From renowned universities to specialized language institutes, you'll find a program that fits your needs and goals. Let's start with some big names. Columbia University and New York University, NYU, offer excellent ESL, English as a Second Language programs. These programs are known for their academic rigor and immersive approach. If you prefer a more focused setting, specialized language institutes like Kaplan International and EF Education First have multiple locations across the city. They offer flexible schedules, various course levels, and a chance to connect with students from around the world. Don't forget about smaller language schools. They often provide a more personalized learning experience with smaller class sizes and individual attention. Research different options, read reviews, and don't hesitate to contact the schools directly to ask questions. Remember, choosing the right school is about finding the best fit for you. Consider your learning style, your budget, and your goals. The city is your textbook, Learning English by Living It. In New York City, your classroom extends far beyond the traditional four walls. The entire city transforms into a dynamic learning environment, offering endless opportunities to practice and improve your English skills. The streets become your vocabulary builder. Look around. Every street sign, every store window, every advertisement is a chance to learn a new word or phrase. Pay attention to the language around you. Listen to the conversations, the announcements, the music. Embrace every interaction as a chance to practice. Chat with the barista at your local coffee shop, ask for directions from a friendly New Yorker, order your meal at a restaurant with confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every conversation, no matter how brief, is a step towards fluency. The city's cultural scene is your language lab. Visit museums and art galleries, attend Broadway shows, explore different neighborhoods. Each experience will expose you to different accents, vocabulary, and cultural nuances, enriching your understanding of the English language. Remember, learning English in NYC is about embracing the city as your living textbook. Be curious, be open, and most importantly, don't be afraid to dive in. Finding your home, away from home accommodation options for English learners. Finding the right place to live is crucial for your English learning journey in NYC. Lucky for you, the city offers a variety of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. Student dorms provide a social and affordable option. Many language schools offer dormitory housing, allowing you to live and interact with fellow students from all over the world. It's a fantastic way to make new friends, practice your English, and experience the city together. Shared apartments are popular among students and young professionals. Websites like Craigslist, Spare Room, and Roomie Match connect you with potential roommates looking to share an apartment. It's a more independent option, offering a taste of authentic New York City living. Homestay programs offer a unique cultural immersion experience. Imagine living with a local family, sharing meals, and practicing your English in a warm and welcoming environment. Organizations like American Homestay Network and International Homestays can help you find the perfect match. Remember to consider your budget, desired location, and lifestyle preferences when choosing accommodation. Research different neighborhoods, factor in transportation costs, and prioritize your comfort and safety.